Hi guys, today we learn how to record desktop screen using VLC media player. So first open VLC media player, click on media, select open capture device. In capture device option, select the capture mode as desktop. Now set the desired frame rate as 30, 40, 50, 60, anything which you want to set. So I'm setting it as 40. Click on this arrow, select convert. Now we need to give the file name to save our video. So I am giving it as video new. Click on save. Now once we click on this start button, our desktop screen will get recorded. So I am clicking on this. Now we have opened Paint. So let's draw something which is being recorded in the video which we are creating now. So that's it. So now we need to stop the video. To stop it, we need to click on this button. Now let's watch the video which we have created in the same file location where we saved it. So I'm clicking on this video new and it is being played. So let's move it forward. So this is how we can create the video using VLC Media Player. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe the DevZone channel for more updates.